welcome back to my channel. This is an official face reveal anamata. This is me, Bharat Potham Shetty. Behind the GoPro ide face untadi. So this is a new type of video. First time manam in homebound video chestunam. As you guys asked, today we're gonna be making a video about the GoPro mount. How do you make a motovlogging setup? So this is what a motovlogging setup looks like. అంటే ఒట్టి బయట నుంచి you don't have a camera, you also have mic inserts inside the helmet. So I'm gonna be showing you guys how to remove your helmet, insert a camera, fix your mic and everything. So yeah, let's get started. So first thing, you're gonna need a GoPro, a media mod or a mic adapter, whichever you have. I'm gonna be using the M-Seal here. This is you get it anywhere in the hardware stores. So this is one. You're gonna need a mic. This is a normal mic. You can find this in Amazon for 100, 200, 300 rupees. I'll put the link in the description. You're gonna need a helmet, obviously, and you're also gonna need a J-mount. This is a J-mount. This holder, this holds your GoPro, and you can't directly plug in your microphone into the GoPro, so you're gonna be needing this. This is a Rode mic adapter. So this is gonna go into the GoPro and you plug your mic into this. So this is an adapter, and yeah, that's it. I'll just show you what a media mod is. This is a media mod. This is like an outer case for the GoPro. This is your GoPro. You will get a clip over here. You have to remove the clip and then insert this into your media mod, just like this. And now this acts as a case, protective case, as well as a mic recorder. It is having two mics, one on the front and one on the back. So why M-Seal? M-Seal enduko? You use M-Seal because it's safe. I can say that it is safer than anything, more than those double side tapes you get with the GoPro. GoPro though, you get double side tapes, 3M tapes. Those are not gonna work if you do top speeds like 180. Anything above 180 is not gonna work. The GoPro will fly off and you'll never find it again. So basically, to save your 40,000 rupees, you need to use these. You get this both in the M-Seal dabba. You mix this and this becomes like a cement mixture. So just make a mold out of it, like a rectangular square mold. I'll just post a picture of a J-mount. This is a J-mount. So just take a mount, a GoPro mount, on which you're gonna stick your GoPro and put it on the other side of the M-Seal mold. So just let it dry for half an hour, 1 hour maybe. It becomes hard like a cement. Trust me, I've done 200 plus speeds on this with this, and I've not faced a single issue with my GoPro. It is safe, it is stable, and so the next step is how you gonna record your audio. You have two options for this. The first option is expensive option. You have to get yourself a media mod. This is a GoPro media mod for the 8. I think you don't get it for 7. 5, 6 and 7 are using a audio adapter. That's just a small box which you have to put on the side of your helmet. A big nonsense process anamata. So this is the best option. It costs you about 7,000 rupees. It is expensive, but you have to buy if you want to record your audio from inside of the helmet. And then you're gonna need a mic. This is a lavalier mic. You will get it in Amazon for 200-300 rupees. Just make sure you buy something which costs about 500, because I am having 3 of these, and 2 of these are for 200-300. Those don't work. As you could see, there was a lot of wind noise in my previous video, right? As soon as I bought, which is inside my helmet right now, this is a 500 change, like a better one, a better mic. This is not giving me any issues with the wind noise or something. So you're gonna need a mic now. How do you set up your mic inside the helmet? So just take your helmet carefully. You'll have some clips inside your helmet. Just show it to you. This is the outer padding. You should never mess with this. If you remove this, all the cool air will go into your helmet. The inner padding, as you can see, this gray, light gray one. You'll have some clips, you can find them with your finger. Just hold them tightly and you heard the click, right? You have to make the click sound. You have to remove the inner foam, inner padding, I mean. So this is my mic, which is currently inside the helmet. I'll just show you guys how to put your mic. So after you loosen your inner padding, this is the joint where you have to click it into that hole and it sticks back. You have a velcro over here and you have to put this also back. So that's it, simple. Before putting in your mic, make sure that it has a sponge cover on the out, and you can even use a dead cat. Dead cat is something supposed to this is a dead cat. You can even use a dead cat to reduce the wind noise. So just tie your mic up like this, okay? And basically when you start doing this, you can easily understand how to put it back. So the large chunk of these wires, you're gonna put it behind the foam. Like if you're gonna put your helmet here, this is gonna come over here, this place, and this mic is gonna come over here. This audio adapter should come out. So yeah, I've put the large chunk inside behind this inner padding. You should have this out, and you have to put your mic here, right here. This is gonna have it here. You see it here, so that when you talk, it directly records your voice from closer to your mouth, makes it clear. And before buying a helmet, just check that you have a chin curtain. A chin curtain is something that, see, as this is covering the outer part of my helmet and neck, a chin curtain will also close this area. So this is gonna be closed, so there's not gonna be any wind noise entering your helmet. It's gonna be more less noisy when you record for motovlogging. That's the only problem I have with this helmet, except that this is a perfect helmet. And yeah, so by now this thing should have been dried, your M-Seal. So just put your GoPro into your media mode like this. This looks something like this, and you'll have two clips down. Just open them. So these are the holders which you're gonna use to attach to the J mount. This is the mount. Face your screen towards your face. Okay, done. With the J mount, when you purchase it, you're gonna get a screw. Just screw it back. And now this is ready. And don't forget, you have to plug your mic into the Rode adapter. This is a Rode adapter. This is very necessary, because if you plug this mic directly into the GoPro, this is not gonna record. I don't know why it doesn't record, but you need this. This is you get it for 1,000 rupees or something, 900, 1,100. So plug this into this, and then you're gonna plug this into your media mode. Media mode will have a hole here. See this hole? That is a 3.5mm jack adapter. So if you plug this in, your motovlogging setup is ready. So that's about it. It's very simple if you do it. If you just take about 10 minutes, it will just take about 10 minutes. Another important thing I want to show you, this is a dead cat. I used to use this on my older mic system because that mic wasn't that great and I needed this. So I even use it now, but there's no need of this because I have a better mic now. This will help you reduce your wind noise. Yeah, that's it. Like, share and subscribe to my video, guys. Just press the notification icon too. And comment down on if you didn't get anything about the video. I'll just explain it to you again. Or you can DM me on Instagram. My Instagram ID is this thing. Just go follow me up here to get more updates of me.